Merry Christmas, everyone!
Hello my YouTube fam, welcome back for another video. It is that time of the year, the time to put up the Christmas tree, the time to decorate the house for the Christmas season. So let's decorate with me, guys. I can't believe I'm doing this all over again, guys. It feels like Christmas just passed and we are back in Christmas. So guys, let's decorate this 9-feet tall Christmas tree with me. When I tell you my Christmas tree was up before Thanksgiving, I fluffed it up already, guys, but I ordered some ornaments online. They never come. The ornaments take so long to come, guys. This is the reason why you haven't seen any Christmas tree yet, but they coming, guys. Last year I did 5 Christmas trees. This year I'm planning on doing 4. Decorating 5 Christmas tree, guys, is not for the week. It is time consuming. It takes so long. But this year I'm doing 4. I have 2 7.5 feet Christmas tree and one in my daughter's room and this big one. So guys, what I'm doing now, I am applying my Christmas tree skirt. This Christmas tree skirt is so beautiful, guys. It's so thick and big. I get it from at home. When I tell you I love it so much, so bear with me. It's gonna take a while, guys. You know, decorating a Christmas tree, especially if you have a big Christmas tree, it takes a long time. So guys, what I'm going to do now, as you can see, there is a lot of space under the Christmas tree. I am going to do this DIY. I bought this garland. I am going to apply it underneath the Christmas tree so the Christmas tree don't have that much space. So okay, this is what I'm doing, guys. Bear with me, guys. My daughter is coming to help me. When I tell you, it takes me hours to decorate this Christmas tree, guys. If you have a big Christmas tree at your house, oh my God, it takes a long time to decorate this big Christmas tree. So it's gonna be beautiful, guys. Just grab your popcorn, grab your chair. Let's dive in. Let's decorate my Christmas tree with me. The whole crew gonna come and help me. My family gonna come and help me. They make it so fun, guys. When I tell you I love it so much, that night when I was decorating the Christmas tree, they were having so much fun. So what I'm opening now, guys, is the ornaments that I ordered online. This is the size, guys. They 12 inches each. I was waiting for them forever. They never come, guys. This is the big one. I wanted it this year, so they finally come. That's why I'm decorating this Christmas tree, guys. So as you can see how it started to look, guys, when I tell you I fell in love with this Christmas tree, you guys gonna see. So if this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to subscribe because it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be so beautiful. So guys, my family gonna come and join me to decorate the Christmas tree. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video and I will be talking in between clip and I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me for every year.
Okay guys, what I'm doing now, I forgot that I have those Christmas lights that I was supposed to apply on the Christmas tree before I put the ornaments on. So this is what I'm doing now guys. I am going to apply 4 of those. Although it's 4 of them, they still not enough for the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is so big guys, so I would need more Christmas lights. It's not gonna happen tonight because it's nighttime, everywhere already closed. So I am going to use what I have for now, and tomorrow morning I will buy more to put on the Christmas tree. This is what I'm doing now guys, and I am going to put those poinsettia on the Christmas tree. When I tell you I love those, they were so big. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They so big guys, I love them so much. So when I first got them, I went back to get more. They were gone. There was no more guys. So this is what I'm doing now guys. I am putting all those poinsettias that I have in on the Christmas tree. As you can see, the family, they left me alone. They left me to finish the Christmas tree. So my daughter gonna come and join me later, but they all gone guys. So I'm doing this by myself, and that's okay. They were having so much fun guys. When I tell you, it was so beautiful to see them having so much fun. So let's continue watching the video guys. I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods rocks here.
So now I'm going to put those garland on the stairwells. When I tell you guys, it was tedious, it was tiring. I was fighting with those garland, but my daughter gonna come and join me and hold it down for me as I'm tying it down on the stairwell. But guys, you have to be very motivated to do those things because they time consuming. They take so much time. When I tell you, after I was done with this Christmas tree, I went straight to bed because it was so tiring. So yeah, so I love it guys. I am in love with this Christmas tree guys. The way the Christmas tree turned out, when I tell you I love it so much. But this is what we're doing guys. We applying those garland all the way up our stairwell. And watch the video guys. I will see you in the next clip. Bye.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're tracing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet.
Okay guys, I am back. I want to put this big bowl next to the Christmas tree. I found it from Ross. When I first seen it, I fell in love. And I'm like, since I'm going to put those little small bowl on the stairwell, right now putting this big one next to the Christmas tree. So this is what I'm doing, guys. I am going to put that big bowl next to the Christmas tree. And I have those little small ring bell that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I will put them in between the opening of the bowl. You guys might not understand what I'm trying to say, but after I'm done, you will see what I was talking about. This is what I'm doing, guys. I'm gonna put this big bowl next to the Christmas tree. I love it so much. At first, I didn't know if it would turn so beautiful, but it is, guys. The ring bells are small, but they serve the purpose, guys. Let's see together how it turned out.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you.
Okay guys, I have this empty wall in the staircase. I had two canvases there before from a previous decoration. I put them down and now I don't know what to put up there. I have those two things that I'm gonna try to see how they're gonna look up there, because I don't like leaving it empty like that. So I'm trying those two things. So you guys let me know if you guys like where I put those things. I don't want to put canvases. So this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks, guys. This is the end result, guys. When I tell you the Christmas tree was a bomb, look at that, guys. I hope I inspired you guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope I motivate you guys to do your Christmas tree, okay, for the Christmas season. And this is the result, guys. When I tell you, this is what I was telling you guys. You see the lights on the Christmas tree, it's barely nothing. Although I put two other Christmas lights, guys. It's barely nothing. So I'm like, you know what? It's gonna stay like that. And that is it, guys. This is the end result, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.